Grade? You play one grade?
4.
You play grade 4.
Yes.
Okay. Now one now Monday.
Yes.
Now why you play like a louse?
It's allowed.
Teacher no come. How much weeks you play in school?
1 day.
Huh?
1 day.
Teacher play no how much weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks him no come.
Yes.
Now this week make him 2. Okay, name the teacher play. Mr.
Oh, Mr. Max.
Mr. Kanabo na Mr.
Max.
Max. Mr. Kanabo na Mr. Max.
Miss Laya.
Mr.
Miss Laya teacher play you play.
Yes.
Okay. You play triple teacher.
Yes.
Miss
Class 1.
oh 3A, 3B na 3C yeah. Oh 4A, 4B, 4C. Okay. 4A teacher is
Mr. Max.
Mr. Max. 4B
Mr. Kanabo.
Mr. Kanabo na 4C
Miss Laya.
Miss Laya. Okay. You play primary school.
Yes.
Okay. How much weeks now you play in school? 2 weeks. Okay. Now you play like a louse yeah.
Yes, yes.
Now onar la teacher sa teach you bla tu no kat. Ona sa teach you bla. O sa sali bla ta sa louse.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.